Today we're making a hearty and delicious homemade beef stew. This comforting dish is packed with tender beef, flavorful broth, and perfectly cooked vegetables. It's simple to make and perfect for a cozy meal. The list of ingredients will be in the description box as well as a written recipe. Start by seasoning the beef with half a teaspoon of salt and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Mix well so the seasoning coats the meat evenly. Next, lightly coat the beef with flour and set aside. Heat cooking oil in a large Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the beef and brown it for about 8 minutes. Turning the pieces so they sear on all sides. This step adds a deep flavor to the stew. Remove the beef from the pot and add a small splash of water to deglaze the pot, scraping up the flavorful bits from the bottom. Now add the sliced onion and garlic, minced garlic, to the pot and saute for about 3 minutes until fragrant. Next, stir in the tomato paste and teriyaki sauce. Cook this for about 2 minutes to develop the flavor. Return the beef to the pot and mix well. Let it cook together for about 3 minutes. Now add the black pepper and pink pepper. Then pour in 750 milliliters of chicken stock broth and half a teaspoon of salt. Cover and let it simmer for 70 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, add another 750 milliliters of chicken broth. After 70 minutes, add the potatoes and the carrots. Along with the remaining broth. Let everything cook for about 20 minutes. Eight minutes before the cooking time finishes, add the green beans and cook uncovered until the vegetables are tender. Once the stew is ready, turn off the heat and let it rest for about 5 minutes. Now serve hot and enjoy with some rice. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.